One girl don cry out o. He say him dey look for him brother. He say him brother go Libya for how many years now? They not hear from her again. So before I go start, if you know you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, one girl don cry out to, he say they look for a brother wey that they call Ebaremie Monday. Na be him name, Ebaremie Monday. Na Ishan boy. If papa name na Idehwenie Sunday. Na be papa name, Idehwenie Sunday. Him own name na Ebaremie Monday. Na be him name because English na be Monday. So Ishan name na be Ebaremie Monday. Hey, I beg anybody wey see Ebaremie Monday, make they bring am come out because we dey look for am. They don't know where e dey. If people don't know whether e still dey alive now, nobody know. Nobody know whether e dey from Libya cross come Europe now. Nobody know. So the thing just tire everybody. I beg anybody wey see Ebaremie Monday, make they tell us say a picture don full social media o. That they look for am. Nobody know where e dey now. Whether you know say that Libya, they talk and say some people though they say prison for them. People go to feel say they not there alive, whereas they inside prison. So I beg anybody wey know where Monday dey, make they bring a come out to whether e don cross come Europe or you don't know about reach family o. Make the tell and say if people they look for am so that make e still know about reach them. Because we go put our number for them. Anybody wey get any information about this guy, make it bring a come out. I beg because this one mama you know they fit sleep again, mama not they eat again, papa not they eat again all because of a Monday. I beg who know where Monday day, make it bring Monday come out. God go bless you anywhere where you dey. I beg because we dey look for this boy. This one not be saying a joke is something. I beg this one they very very serious. I beg because this Libya of 18 it don't make many people they look for their children. They not gree see am. All because of they want come Europe. All because of they want come Europe. You know how many people don't lose their life for that Libya road. You know how many people will be say even some they are alive, but they don't inside prison for Libya. There nobody know. Maybe if he see a picture now, he go crack. He go come and say, "Now you understand that beg." Anybody will know where Ebaremie Monday day, make they let us know. I beg. We go drop our number for there. So if you get any information about this guy, when you bring a comment, we go put a picture so that anybody will see him, if you know him. If you know say you don't stay Libya before and you don't see this kind of face before, I beg. No wait before you go call us. I beg as they see him, as they see our number for that, they call immediately. I beg because this one are really like you know when it never happen, something never happen to you. Now you go they like they say I beg, what those one they talk. If it happen to you, you not gonna know what to do really, because person one they not hear from since 2015. I take one for us since 2015 they look for Ebaremie Monday. Since 2015 they not see him. I beg. If they call them when they Libya, all of a sudden they stop. Nobody know what it cause them now. Whether in they go past that Libya, river now, nobody know. Whether in they inside prison for there, nobody know because they said that they use some of our guys say they do slavery for there. They say that they use many people say they do baptism for there. Nobody know now. I beg anybody will know where Ebaremie Monday day. Make they let us know. If papa na Idehwenie Sunday. Idehwenie Sunday, na be papa name for Ishan for there. I beg anybody wey hear that name go know say na Ishan person. So I beg anybody wey get information about this guy, make it call us so we go dey here dey wait for una call. I beg we go drop our number. God go still bless you if you fit still bring that kind of information come out. If you don't say you don't stay Libya before and you know this guy, you don't see this kind of face before, I beg. Just call me, I beg. You hear? We really need information about this guy. We want to know where he did. We want to know because whether he don't come Italy, then I will not know. Whether he see the Libya, the suffer for them, I will not know. That be the thing. Because people they talk about wetin dey happen for that Libya, wey you go hear and you go just tire. Really? For how many years now they not go hear from this guy again now? All the name of I want come Europe, I want come Europe. I want come Europe, and they cost all those things. So I beg, make we anybody will get any information about this guy, make them let us know, I beg, because we really need information about this guy. Whether he don't come Europe, he pass that river, so this something happen, nobody know. Nobody go fit talk because nobody know him for there. Nobody know Richards. Now no Richards go fit talk say he know him, see wetin happen. But if you don't say you don't see this kind of face before, if you don't say you don't see this kind of face for your life before, let us know. I beg. Now with the beg una. We really need una help. We really need una information. Anybody will get information about this guy, I beg, may you let us know immediately. May you let us know, I beg. Because his family, then they cry. His papa, his mama, all his siblings, then they cry. They don't hear from him. They don't know what they happen. Whether instant they are alive, then they want to know. Now understand? Because if it never happen to you, now you go they look at like one kind, say na very simple. So if it happen to you, my dear, only the thing when you will think alone, say, oh, where my brother, I know hear from her. You know, where my brother. So to go fair come up for your body. When you go take the thing, say, oh God, do where you can't day now? Where you can't day now? You go they reason different things. You understand? I beg. Anybody will get information about this guy, make them let us know, I beg, because we really need una help. This one not be wetin person go come sit down. Me want person they do. If you see the video, you see want to talk about that, say talk, I beg, because we need them. We really need this boy. I beg. Anybody will get any information, make them let us know. We really like need una help. We need una help. I beg. I go drop my number. So in case you get any information about this guy, just call me. Please call me. I beg. Just quickly, even though you don't get money for food, just add me for WhatsApp with the number, so that you quick feel reach me. I beg. Anybody will get any. I know say not be now because of this one and I don't know what we see. Many people go to look for their people like this now. They don't know how to go about it. Yeah. So many people go to look for their people. So they look for their brothers, their sisters. Again, when I see that time, they said the woman when one cross, they say it die. Ipiki can't they with other people for there. Where people say they don't even know them. They don't know the Piki. They don't know the woman before now. Maybe they for know. So they have to find the family who will give the children to. You see how? So I beg, anybody will get any information about this guy, just let us know. We really need to help. We really want to know what it costs them. We will not hear from Monday. I beg. We will put a picture for there. If you know anything about him, let us know. So this video not go too long, not just short video. So anybody will see this video, share. Please. Just share the video. Don't be stingy with it. Just share it. Share it for your messenger, your WhatsApp, anywhere. A Facebook page, Facebook, anywhere you know say you can't be social media whether they see something. Share and put, I beg. Share and give everybody so that make you reach everybody and maybe as you share and they go. If you see one person we don't stay Libya before, we go know him. I beg now we do. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.